Weld a broken exhaust system.
Exhaust pipe has broken off the flange. I'll take it and push it back in as far as I can. It up with a wire wheel. It's a lot cleaner. Make sure everything lines up. I want to tack it in place while it's hooked up. Then I might be able to disconnect it and go all the way around.
This is Harbor Freight titanium welder. This is a DC meg welder. Tack the pipe. I'll go ahead and clean it up with an angle grinder.
Not pretty, but it's gonna tack it in there nice. Some sodium silicate into all the little cracks.
Furnace cement has very high temperature ratings. It's usually a lot softer than this, but this will go into the cracks.
This will withstand temperatures of like 2,000 degrees. Mix it with a little bit of water here, that helps. Now that'll work a lot better. Using sodium silicate is a normal fix for exhaust
I would
leaks.
have taken this in to have it tacked. It probably would have cost about 120. So the welder was 120, so I guess we're even now. We'll turn the car on, see how we did. So much quieter.